Hi, I'm Dean Burnetti from Dean Burnetti Law. Dog bites are responsible for more than 5 million injuries per year. In fact, there are nearly 12 fatalities that occur across the United States each year because of dog attacks. The exceptionally sad part about these facts are that the majority of dog bite victims are children. In the state of Florida, the statute dictates that individuals who own a dog are, for the most part, under strict liability as it relates to their dog. The only way they can avoid responsibility for their dog is by posting beware of dog signs, and in some instances, when it is proven that the dog has been taunted or provoked. There used to be a time when dog owners didn't have to worry until after their dog had bitten somebody the first time. It was almost like a one-time pre-bite rule. However, nowadays in Florida, if you own a dog and it bites somebody, you can expect to be held liable for their damages. For this reason, many homeowners' insurance policies now have certain animal exclusions written into the policy. Sometimes such policies are dog breed specific to breeds who have a reputation of being potentially dangerous, such as Dobermans, Rottweilers, Pit Bulls, and other types of bulldogs. This means that if you have such a policy and you own one of those excluded breeds and your dog bites somebody, your insurance will not protect you from liability. You can probably imagine the economic responsibility that could be incurred if your dog attacked and mauled a child. In such a case, you will clearly not be able to gain sympathy from a jury over a child who has had their arm mauled or who has been bitten in the face. Even if there are other dog lovers on the jury, that won't override the trauma and numerous physical scars on a small child once the jury sees the injury photos. If you or a loved one are ever bitten by a dog, the most important thing to do is to get to the hospital right away. You cannot assume that the dog has had all of its shots. As such, you need to involve the authorities and have them impound the animal until it has been confirmed that there is no chance of you contracting rabies. You do not have to ask that the dog be put down, and you don't have to involve yourself in making that decision. That's something that will be governed by the state of Florida. They determine if the dog has a history of having bitten in the past, in which case they may enforce some type of action. But that is not something you need to be concerned with. You need to definitely report your dog bite so that appropriate actions can be taken. And so there is a history documenting the dangerous nature of the specific dog, so it won't bite someone else in the future. Personally, I'm a dog lover and I love animals. I love dogs in particular, and in fact, I have 2 dogs of my own. At my house, we have a hard and fast rule that we never own something that can bite and hurt someone. We have a very small 4-pound Chihuahua that will not break anyone's skin if they did bite somebody. I've always loved larger breeds, but it's just one of those things that you have to consider when you have animals. If you do have a larger breed of dog, you need to be responsible and aware that there's no way to avoid your liability should someone get hurt. I always question why anyone would have a dog with a fence and signs everywhere that say bad dog or beware of dog. I don't know why anyone would put themselves in that kind of position. For the person that has been bitten, the trauma involved can be as horrific as the physical pain, especially for a child, because of nightmares and all that goes with it. Also, oftentimes the scars can be horrible. My law firm handles these types of cases. Dog bite cases are not unreasonably difficult. They just need to be documented early on as far as what is going on or what has happened with the animal. The animal could possibly disappear, or the homeowner could disappear. So you don't want to delay. You want to contact us as soon as possible so that we can prepare whatever discovery we need and possibly track down the animal and get statements from witnesses. When people witness a dog attack, it's important for us to get their statement taken as soon as possible because memories fade. Call me at 863-BURNETTI-LAW or 813-BURNETTI-LAW. I'm Dean Burnetti, Dean Burnetti Law, serving God and you.